Hello everyone, good morning. This is me Avishka and the bulletin today starts with DeepSeek R1, an open source AI model rivaling industry giants. MobiKwik becomes India's first fintech to launch a CBDC wallet. Nothing Phone 3A set to launch on March 4 with upgraded features. X partners with Visa for real-time money transfers in X Money. Microsoft and OpenAI investigate potential data breach by DeepSeek. Google introduces VPN verification badge on Play Store. And at last, we have Mahakumbh 2025 telecom networks prepared for 40 crore pilgrims. Now, in the previous quiz, we asked you what is the full form of SSD, and the answer is solid state drive. It's time for a daily tech quiz. As today's question: what is the full form of a GPU? Confident you got the answer? Drop a guess in the comments below and tune into tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you've nailed it. Stay tuned. Let's start with the first news. DeepSeek R1, an open source AI model licensed under MIT, is gaining popularity among AI researchers and developers. It allows for customization and is available for both personal and professional use. To run DeepSeek R1, a high performance machine is necessary, with requirements such as Windows 10, macOS 10.5, Linux, and a multi core processor, an NVIDIA GPU with CUDA support, and at least 8 GB RAM and 50 GB of free SSD storage. Additionally, Python, CUDA toolkit, and deep learning libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch are required. DeepSeek AI has gained immense traction, briefly surpassing OpenAI's GPT on App Store. However, recent reports suggest DeepSeek is under scrutiny as Microsoft and OpenAI are investigating whether it obtained OpenAI's data without authorization. Allegations suggest individuals linked to DeepSeek extracted large amounts of data via OpenAI's API, potentially violating terms of service. Now, MobiKwik has become India's first fintech platform to introduce a full-scale central bank digital currency wallet. Marking a major milestone in country's digital payment ecosystem, the wallet allows users to store and transact in the digital rupee, an electronic version of Indian currency issued by Reserve Bank of India. With the increasing adoption of digital payments, the CBDC initiative aims to provide a secure, efficient, and regulated alternatives to traditional digital transactions. Meanwhile, Cred has also entered the CBDC space, offering selected users access to digital rupee transactions. The move aligns with RBI's broader strategy to promote the use of digital currency and reduce dependency on cash-based transactions. The introduction of CBDC wallets by fintech platforms like MobiKwik and Cred could accelerate digital currency adoption, offering users a seamless experience while ensuring compliance with RBI regulation. Now, Nothing is preparing to unveil the Nothing Phone 3A on March 4, introducing significant upgrades over its predecessor. Leaks suggest the mid-range smartphone will feature a larger 6.8-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The biggest screen on a Nothing phone to date, it is expected to be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset, shifting from the MediaTek Dimensity processor used in the Phone 2A. Running on Nothing OS 3.1 based on Android 15, the device will also offer an enhanced camera setup. It is rumored to support a 50MP primary sensor and a 50MP telephoto lens with a 2x optical zoom, replacing the ultra-wide camera with an 80MP sensor. The selfie camera will be 32 megapixel and the Phone 3A is expected to house a 5000 mAh battery with a 45-watt charging. Rumors suggest a premium variant, the Phone 3 Plus, may also launch alongside it, featuring a periscope telephoto lens. Now, Elon Musk's social network, X, has announced a partnership with Visa to enable real-time peer-to-peer payments for its upcoming financial service, X Money. The platform will leverage Visa Direct, allowing users to load money into X Money wallets, connect to a debit card, and transfer funds back to their local bank accounts. CEO Linda Yaccarino confirmed that this is first of many major announcements regarding X Money 2025. Since acquiring X, Musk has envisioned transforming it into a comprehensive financial platform. The company has also secured money transmitter license in over 40 US states under its X Payment subsidiary. App researchers have also discovered code references to X Money's functionality, suggesting that the feature is nearing launch. Now, Microsoft and OpenAI are investigating a possible unauthorized data extraction by a group linked to Chinese AI startup DeepSeek. Microsoft's security team detected suspicious activities in the fall where individuals allegedly exfiltrated vast amount of data using OpenAI's API. OpenAI offers paid API access for developers, but unauthorized removal of restriction could indicate a terms of service violation. Microsoft alerted OpenAI and the companies are closely monitoring the situation. DeepSeek recently launched R1, an open source AI model that claims to rival top US AI firms like OpenAI, Google, and Meta. Some experts believe DeepSeek may have used a technique called distillation to replicate OpenAI's model capabilities at a fraction of cost. OpenAI has acknowledged that PRC based companies consistently attempt to extract knowledge from leading US AI firms and pledge to implement countermeasures to protect its intellectual property. This ongoing investigation highlights the growing concern over AI competition, security, and potentially intellectual property theft in the fast growing AI landscape. Now, Google has announced a new initiative to improve security in the VPN app market by introducing a verification badge on the Play Store. The badge, developed in collaboration with the App Defense Alliance, ensures that VPN apps meet stringent security standards. To qualify, an app must be at least 90 days old, have 10,000 downloads, 250 user reviews, and comply with data encryption and independent security assessments. The verification aims to protect users from unreliable or misleading VPN apps by offering third party validation. Certified apps such as NordVPN and Aloha Browser have already received the badge, ensuring that security claims are backed by independent audits. Regular recertification will be required to maintain the verification. This move by Google is expected to improve transparency and user trust in VPN services. The verification badge may also expand to other app categories in the future, reinforcing Google's commitment to cybersecurity and enhancing overall app on the Play Store. Now, last but not the least, with over 40 crore people expected at the Mahakumbh Mela in Prayagraj, telecom providers are implementing advanced infrastructure to ensure seamless connectivity. This event, running from January 13 for 45 days, presents a unique challenge, with millions gathered in a single location. Telecom companies including Airtel, Jio, BSNL, and VI have installed operational fiber, new towers, and base transceiver stations to handle the surge in network demand. The Integrated Control and Command Center has also established 3 disaster management centers to support emergency communication. The availability of mobile network is crucial for safety, navigation, digital payments, and emergency response. According to official, mobile phone penetration has significantly improved since previous Kumbh Melas, reducing concern of losing loved ones in crowds. The Ministry of Telecom has instructed providers to optimize network using advanced technology. These measures aim to provide uninterrupted connectivity, ensuring a smooth experience for millions of devotees attending the world's largest religious gathering. This was it for today's news. For more such tech updates, make sure you stay tuned to IT Voice. Last but not the least, with over 40 crore people expected at the Mahakumbh Mela in Prayagraj, telecom providers are implementing advanced infrastructure to ensure seamless connectivity. This event, running from January 30